Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Khaleda Akhtar, student teacher of Social Science, National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. So, dear students of class 3, today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class, and this is your annual term examinations first class, and we will be starting from chapter 5 from your syllabus of annual term examination. So, at first have a look on the board. So, this is for class 3 and subject is Bangladesh and Global Studies. And the term is annual term examination. Dear students, from today we are starting our annual term examinations syllabus. So the lecture number is 1 and your SW number will be 1, and the topic is chapter 5. We will discuss the chapter 5 and go through the important lines also. And I have given my phone number and name. If you have any need, then you can take the use of the numbers. So dear students, let's go to the discussion at first. Chapter 5. The name of the chapter is Human Qualities. So the name of the chapter is Human Qualities. Dear students, you all know about what is human qualities, but with a great understanding, for a great understanding, we will try to go through the whole chapter so that we can make a better understanding about human qualities. So the first one is, that means the lesson. The first lesson is qualities of a good person. So what are the qualities of a good person? We will know from this lesson. Every person has some qualities. Every person has some qualities. Peoples are different because of those qualities. That means the person becomes different from each other with their qualities. To learn about them, let's start with a story. So if we want to learn the differences, we have to go through a story. So here is the story. Raju has brought his mother to school for the farewell party of his favorite teacher, Jalal sir. The head teacher makes a speech saying Jalal sir is a good and honest man. We need more people like him. So there is a person who is Raju, that means he is a student, and he brought his mother to his school to let his mother enjoy the farewell party of his favorite teacher, and who is Jalal, Mr. Jalal, that means he is Jalal sir. And about Jalal sir, the headmaster is saying that, giving a speech actually, that Jalal sir is a good and honest person. That means honest man. He is very good and honest. So we need more people like him. That means for a society to be developed, we need good person and honest person. So like a person like Jalal sir, we need a people like him. Now Raju whispers to his mother, what does a good man mean? That means Raju doesn't know what is the meaning of good man. So that's why he is telling his mother in a lower volume. That's why there is used the word whisper. Whisper means we don't speak loudly. That time that is called actually whispers. So Raju whispers to his mother, what does a good man mean? So there is the explanation. His mother replies, good people behave well with everyone. They never harm others but help others. They speak the truth. They respect the old. They love and dear students, here is written and double. So we will cut down one. That means there will be one and, that means the love old and young alike. They follow the rules. They keep their promises. Everyone likes good people, just as you like Jalal sir. If you can develop those qualities, people will like you and say you are a good person. That means the definition about good person is some characteristics actually. Here the characteristics are the person who is very good. That means the person will behave good with everyone. They will not harm any people or harm anything in the society. They will speak the truth. They will not never tell the lies. They will respect the old. They will not disrespect the people. They will love the old and like the youngers. They will follow the rules. That means there are some rules and regulations in your society. So the person who is good, they follow the rules and regulations. They keep their promises. Everyone likes good people, just as you like Jalal sir. This is the explanation from Mr. Raju's mother. That means the student Raju actually, he will not be Mr. So dear students, from the discussion we understood what is the characteristics of a good people and then we'll try to make the answer here according to the discussion. Okay, so first one is speak. Here it is written as what good and bad qualities we have. Students will say the teacher will make a list on the board. That means the students will say and the teacher will write it on the board. So dear students, as you are not here, so I cannot hear anything from you. So we will try to discuss in our live classes so that we make a good list from all of the students included in the discussion. Okay. And now section B, here is writing part. In pairs, write a list of good qualities from the story. So there are 4 lists, so we will try to write down 4 good qualities from the story. So the first one is, here is written, good people behave well with everyone. That means to behave well. So this is a good quality. Tell the truth, that is also good quality. So you can use this, tell truth or tell the truth. Love old people, old and young, younger, you can write this also. And keep the promises. So this is also a good quality. Keep the promises, or you can write promise. Okay, so these are the list of good qualities. You can make a better list from this discussion if you understand all of the discussion. And now here is written in extent number C, in groups of 3 act out role plays of good and bad deeds. For example, one student stumbles in the classrooms, scattering his books on the floor. The second student laughs at him. The third student helps him to get up and picks up his books for him. Think of their incidents like this. So my dear students, you have to find out which quality is bad and which quality is actually good. Here there is an example, one student stumbles in the classroom, scattering his books on the floor. That means the person fell down and then the books were scattering down. That means the books got messy. So that time the second student laughs at him. So the person, when he see that he stumbles in the classroom, that time the person which is next to him, that student laughs at him. That means that is actually a bad quality, because some of you, if he is in need of anything or he is in need of any help, that time we need to help him, not laugh at him. Okay, so this is actually bad quality. And there the third student helps him to get up and picks up his books for him. That means the third student who is helping him in getting up and picking up the books, that means this is actually his good quality. So this is actually the example of good quality, and this is actually the example of bad quality. So from the story you can differentiate the difference between good and bad quality. So dear students, hope you have understood this part, and now we will go to the next part. So in next part we will do doing good deeds. How we can do good deeds, that means good activities. Here deed refers to activities actually. So how we can do good deeds or good activities, we will try to understand from this discussion. We should respect our elders, help others and treat people equally. That means our elders means our father, mother, grandparents, aunts, uncles, our elder sisters, all of the people are elder. So we have to respect all of the people, our teachers also included in that part, and help others. That means the person who is elder or younger or same age, all the people, if is in need, we can help them, and treat people equally. That means suppose you have a servant in your house and you have brother, you are distributing food to them, so you will distribute the food equally. That means the portion you are giving to your brother, the same portion you will give to your servant. That means this is actually treating people equally. So this is a good quality or good activity. We should speak the truth and behave well to everybody. Obviously we need to speak the truth and behave well to everybody. This is actually good activities and good qualities. We should love all and follow the rules. In a family, in a school, or in any area, in any society, in any field, all of the area we have some rules and regulations to follow. So we will try to follow the rules and regulations. These are all good deeds. That means These all are actually good activities. Let us look at the picture of a good deed on the right. On the right means this one. Okay. Here, my dear students, you can see this person is actually blind, and she is not blind. So when she found that he is blind and he cannot cross the road, so that time this person, that means this girl, is helping this person who is blind. So this is actually a activity or example of good deed, that means good activity. So now we will try to go through a true story so that we can understand the thing very properly. One day a newspaper covered the news of a poor man. While he was walking in the street, he found a bag full of money. He did not keep the money, he handed the bag to the police station. That means there is a scenery, a person who got a bag, the bag was full of money and he did not keep the money. That means he was not that great, he was a good person, and that time he handed the bag to the police station. Everybody read about this good deed, because this was actually published in the newspaper, and some of them gave him a reward and they all praised him. So from this story we find that the happy poor man is this person. He got the bag and handed over the police station, and when some people got to know about his story, that person became very glad, and that time they show the respect to him, rewarding in a good way and praising him in a good way at the same time. So if you find anything like that, you have to do the same thing. You will not keep the money, you will try to give the bag or money to your elders, or if you can go to the police station also. Okay. So now this is the story actually. Now we will try to discuss this one. Discuss with a friend, why do you do good deeds and why do you not do bad deeds. That means actually two questions answer are actually similar. Why do you do good deeds? That means what is the reason you are doing good deeds, and what is the reason you are not doing bad deeds. That means all of the things you are doing good. So you have to make the discussion with your friend. So my dear students, from your class, if you find a friend, or if you are very comfortable from any student of your class, you can make a discussion with these questions and let me know what was the discussion in your live classes. Now question number B, think about the things you have done this week, then write lists under these headings: good deeds and bad deeds. So you can make the list, what was your activities which is good and what was the activities which is not good. So you can make the correction that you are not going to do the bad deeds again. So you can do this again by yourself. And now we will go to the section number D. Here is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. So everyone in society dash a good person. So what will be the answer? Everyone in society likes a good person. Okay, so this will be the answer. Like or love, you can say. I am writing here likes. Everyone in society likes a good person. We should always respect. We have read this one, so we can write the answer here. So we should always respect elders, and we should try to dash others in need. That means the person who is in need of help, we will try to help that person. That means we should try to help others in need. So my dear students, hope you have understood the discussion from this chapter, and now we will try to go through some true false which is regarded from your chapter. So we will try to go to the section number true false, and now we have written in the board, and number 1 is people have no human qualities. People have no human qualities. So is it true or false? Actually it is false, because every people have some qualities. Some qualities are good and some qualities are bad. So you have to say people have no qualities is a false statement. And number B, everyone likes good people. Yes, it's true, as we found that in the true false also we have written the same thing. So everyone likes good people. And number 3, we should always speak the truth. Yes, we obviously should speak the truth. We will never speak any lie. That means we will never tell any lie. And number 4, we should misbehave with everybody. Is it true or false, dear students? Actually we should not misbehave with anybody. We should behave a good way, or we should behave good with everybody, so it will be actually false. So dear students, this is the actually true false from this chapter. This is your SW also, so you have to pick this up from in your SW copy and write down, and then submit this SW in upcoming Saturday, that means 10th July. So dear students, hope you have understood the class. We will come to the next class with a new topic. Till then, take care, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.